Spill. I sometimes spill coffee on my desk. I am spilling water everywhere with this jug. I have spilt milk all over the floor. The tank has been spilling oil into the sea for days. I spilt juice on my shirt at lunch. I was spilling sugar when the bag tore open. I had spilt the paint before I noticed the lid was loose. The pipe had been spilling water for hours before we found it. I will spill the beans if you keep asking. I will be spilling flour all over if I rush the recipe. By the time you arrive, I will have spilt half the batter. By dusk, the pipe will have been spilling water for a whole day.